Hi guys, welcome to my recipe video. Today I'm going to cook baked rice, arroz al forno, okay, which is a very typical dish from my area, from Alicante. Okay, so let me show you how to cook it. The ingredients we are gonna need are the following ones. You can see them here. We are going to need rice, black pudding, okay, pork ribs, some garlic, bacon, panceta we call it in Spanish, some tomatoes, and some potatoes. Okay, as you can see, this is already cut and sliced. We are also going to need some meat broth, okay, for the rice, and we also need some salt, some olive oil, and some saffron. So as you can see, we don't need that many. Then, what are the utensils I'm going to need? Okay, not many as well. I'm going to use chopping board for cutting and slicing, some knives, also frying pan, and which is very important for this recipe, a clay pot. Okay, this is what we are gonna use in the oven later. Okay. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so the first step is we are going to saute the pork ribs, okay, together with the bacon. Okay, we add some salt. Okay. And we are going to keep it on the fire for 5-10 minutes. So you can see once that is golden brown, okay, we move it away from the fire. Okay, I'm going to put it on a dish. Okay, leaving the oil with all this flavor in the pan. Okay, and now I'm going to saute again, but now the potatoes. Okay, we put it here, pan. And I will add some salt as well, and I'm going to cook the potatoes for perhaps 5-10 minutes until they are also golden brown. Okay, some salt. Okay, so 5 more minutes. Next, as you can see, the potatoes are ready. Okay, I move them away. I move them away, and at the same time, I'm going to turn on the oven, okay, and I'm going to heat the broth because it must be very hot for later. Okay, and now next step is we are going to mix everything we have already cooked. Okay, we mix it, and together with the rice, okay, because we want the different flavors to mix for 5 minutes approx. Okay? Okay, and And now, what we are going to do is, everything we have in this frying pan, let me turn off the fire, we are going to move it to the clay pot, okay? Let me put everything here. And now, the most important part of the recipe, okay? I'm going to add all of it regularly, okay? And finally, I'm going to add here tomato, all around it, okay? The black pudding, okay? Again, you know, regularly around the clay pot. Oops. Okay. And finally, the last touch, garlic in the middle, okay? That's the tradition in Alicante. Bit more salt, and saffron, just a little bit, okay? Because that gives it some color. We're gonna finish all the saffron we have left, and give it some flavor and some color. Finally, we're just finishing, hopefully. I'm going to put this into the oven, okay? Always careful. And I'm going to leave it here in the oven for 25 minutes approx. Okay? Okay, let's see. I think it's done. Okay. Okay, so that's the dish, that's arroz al forn. Let me try it. Delicious. Okay, so guys, goodbye, thanks for watching.